In this video, we're going to look at another special angle relationship. The relationship between a central angle in a circle and the arc that it intersects. If we take a look here at angle COB, which they say is 93 degrees, and we're going to extend that through the circle. If the angle is 93 degrees and its vertex is on the center of the circle, that's what makes it a central angle. Then the arc that is intersected by the sides extended also equals 93 degrees. In this problem, they would like us to find the arc AB, which is just this portion right here. Another piece of information that they gave us, which was helpful, is that we have a diameter AC. That diameter tells us this half of the circle, the bottom half of the circle, is 180 degrees. So, to find the measure of arc AB, we could add it to the measure of arc BC, and together they equal 180 degrees. And we know arc BC is 93 degrees. So we can solve. And the measure of arc AB is 87 degrees. Now we'll take a look at another question that has even more angles in there. This question tells us that we have a diameter, EB, so there's a diameter, which says that this sort of top half here is a total of 180 degrees, as well as the bottom half. And then we have central angle 52 degrees here, which means arc BC is 52 degrees. And angle DAC is 90 degrees, so arc CD is 90 degrees. We don't know arc DE here, but that doesn't matter when the question is asking for the measure of arc EBD. That means to connect E to D through point B over here. So it's most of the circle. All of the circle except ED is what we're looking for. All right, so we can add up the pieces that we know. EFB is 180 degrees. Then we have the 52. Then we have the 90. So all along the highlighted blue portion of the circle, or the measure of arc EBD, we know. So we can add the 180 plus the 52 and the 90 and find the measure of arc EBD equals 322 degrees. Let's do one more example, this time with a little bit of an algebra application. Again, segment EB is a diameter. And they would like us to find, in this problem, the measure of arc BED. So from B to D through E. Now, we know that angle BCD plus angle DCE equals 180 degrees. And I'm going to use that information because BE is the diameter to come up with an equation. 2x plus 3x minus 15 equals 180 degrees. And we can solve for x here, combining like terms. And x equals 39. Now, looking for arc BED, I know that arc BAE is 180 degrees because that's half the circle. I just need to find the measure of arc ED. And the measure of arc ED is going to be 3x minus 15. And we found x to be 39 degrees. So, the measure of arc ED equals 102 degrees. Now, when we add the 102 and the 180, we will have the measure of arc BED, which is 282 degrees. Hopefully this has helped you understand a little bit more about central angles and their relationship to the arcs that they intersect.